Hey, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I prepare to start spring gardening. Um, while it's still cold outside, we start planting seeds indoors. I'm in the North Texas zone 7A, 7B. Depending on what map you're looking at, we plant indoors so that when the warm weather comes, we can put these plants outside and they'll be closer to maturing, and it'll give us a longer growing season and more food. And that's the goal, right? It's to grow food. So this year I'm using these. I started using these fall of last year, and it's basically these little seed starter peat pellets. You put water on them, it soaks all the water up, they expand, you put one seed in each, and you just let it grow. The mesh holds it all together until the roots start to hold the dirt together. And the mesh will, it's biodegradable, so it will break down eventually, so you don't have to break up the roots when you repot these outdoors. This is not necessary. I will show you how it works, but it's not necessary. Last year I cut all my water bottles in half, filled them with some soil I got from Walmart, planted my seeds, put them in the windowsill, and that was it. Everything grew. The pumpkins, the watermelons, all that. It all grew. So you don't have to do this, but this 72 pack, and I got a couple of them because I plan on planting a lot this year. I mean, when you're in Texas, you go big or go home, and I'm already at home, so we going big. They're only $10 at Lowe's is where I got the big ones from, but they're on Amazon too. And a lot of my seeds came from Lowe's from last year and Callaway's. I think I got some from Walmart. I got stacks and stacks of seeds back there. And I mostly grow vegetables, and I say mostly because I do grow some flowers, but they're for teas, and now I'm growing sunflowers, but that's for my daughter. I grow food. That's what I grow. I want to eat. So I'll show you guys how we do this. And then I'm not using the windowsill, I'm using some grow lights. I got them for my succulents, and this is gonna work. You know, this is gonna be my little greenhouse.
So let me tell you some things about seeds really quick. I tend to get seeds that say non-GMO on there. You can grow whatever kind of seed you want to. That just means that they were not genetically modified in a lab. So if it says non-GMO or organic, I like those. Heirloom seeds are just varieties that are pure and have been around for 50 years or more, and you can just keep planting the seeds from those fruits over and over again. So that's awesome. And you may see hybrids. Those are just crosses between heirloom seeds, and sometimes the seeds from those fruits do grow, but they won't always grow the same, if they even grow at all. So keep that in mind. So here's everything that I use, including my magic pencil. I marked it with measurements for seed depths last year, and it's ghetto, but it works. I just push it in the dirt and put the seed in behind it. Here's how the peat pellets work. You add about an inch and a half of warm water in there. It'll soak it all up, and that's it, y'all. Oh, and these are really cute and super cheap. I pick up on sale all the time. I've grown them before, and they work. So if you see some, grab them. So boom, this is how we plant our seeds. Very simple, guys. Check the back of the packet, stick the pencil in there, put the seed in there, and then I cover it up. I don't pack the hole because you want the sprout to be able to, get through the dirt. So I don't pack it. I just like to fill the hole in some. Another way to start seedlings, you can soak them in water for 24 hours to soften the outside and speed up germination, or you can just leave them soaking until you see roots. You can also put it in a moist paper towel. Put the paper towel inside of a Ziploc bag, keep it moist, and leave it in there until it grows roots. So that's all. I have more planning to do, and I'll follow up in about 2 weeks when everything sprouts. Bye.